Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telechucker's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.
Well, according to a leading portal, every love story is different. TV actors Sanjida Sheikh and Amir Ali's journey of love also had its own essence. The two were touted to be one cutest and non-controversial couples of the tele world. It was only recently that the duo became the headlines for all wrong reasons. The couple's ishq wala love is not hidden from anyone. They initially started as friends and then became best friends. Later, from best friends, they turned to lovers and then ultimately became husband and wife. Sanjida and Amir's story was nothing less than a fairy tale. They sent couple goals around and made many believe in the notion of a perfect and blissful marriage. Both had accomplished their personal goals while maintaining their careers pretty well. But suddenly, after 8 years of marital bliss, their relationship has hit a rocky path. Things have gone haphazard between the couple and they are apparently heading the part ways together. Yes, their happily ever after has come to an end and they have decided to put the final nail in the coffin of their relationship. With so many things happening, here's a look complete at the duo's love story. From the dating to reports of their separation, a look at Sanjita and Amir's Adhuri Kahani. Just like many more beautiful love stories, we know of Sanjita and Amir's journey also started as just friends. The duo used to hang out with each other a lot. Eventually, Amir got attracted to her nature and beauty, while Sanjita got attracted to his sweetness. But little did they know that their friendship will turn into a relationship one day. After knowing and understanding each other for some time, the duo finally decided to give dating a chance. Yes, they mutually decided to try dating each other. However, the first date was not romantic but rather very casual. Recalling the same, Sanjita said, our first date was quite informal as we were just friends back then. We headed out for dinner but were later accompanied by friends for a movie. She added that she wonders if that was a real date also. The duo believed in true love, so for them, love wasn't that just happened overnight. They took it slow to know each other better. Amit took a long time to commit, but when he did, he ensured it was just romantic enough to swoon Sanjita off her feet. Though Amir was scared at first, he forced back his tears and popped the question. And when he proposed, Sanjita was completely taken aback and tears rolled down her eyes. Reminiscing the beautiful moment Sanjita shared, I was not expecting him to propose me that night, especially when he had waited long hours for my shoot to get over. Also, I too was drained out after shooting sequences that portrayed mental traumas and crying. But when I came out of the shot, he was standing in front of me. He went down on his knees and proposed marriage. It was that wow moment of my life. The couple is very private and did not like disclosing their personal life in public. People did not fathom that the two are in a relationship until they decided to participate in Nach Baliye season 3 back in the year 2007. Well, it is then that they went all out and made their relationship official. The Nach platform was their big moment of coming out and showing that they are head over heels in love with each other. Surprisingly, their chemistry and compatibility was so good that they emerged as winners. Their victory also made them realize that they were meant to be together. For Amir and Sanjita, it is always the simple and non-complicated things that keep them happy. When asked what he loves most about Sanjita, Amir in an interview shared her happiness towards life. He further added, she keeps me happy always and that's the best gift I could ever ask for. For Sanjita, love in the little things, the way he pampers me and cares for me. He always treats me like a kid and I think that's the best thing about him. After 7 years of relationship, the couple decided to take the plunge. In March 2012, Amir and Sanjita uttered Kabul Hai in a grand nikah ceremony in Mumbai. They also threw a lavish reception party to raise a toast to their new beginning together. It was a star-studded affair as the who's who from Bollywood and Tele world graced their occasion. Amir and Sanjita have a special mantra for a happy relationship. They say, Understanding between a couple is the most important thing. Rest, everything follows. They believe that marriage will be happy and blissful if their couple understands and supports each other. Early in January this year, rumors of the couple not staying together started doing the rounds. Reports claim that all is not well between the duo. Some media reports said since mid 2019 the couple has been living apart. In fact, they did not even celebrate New Year's together. However, they were trying their best to not have any problems and hamper their relationship. Matters escalated a few days after Sanjida returned from a shoot in London in October 2019 and she left for her paternal home. Though they continued to be in touch for some time after that, they stopped talking to each other. Just a few days after their separation news cropped up, another shocking news came our way. It was the news of their baby. Yes, Sanjida and Amir are proud parents of a baby girl. The little angel was around 4 months old back then in January. The couple had opted for surrogacy. Even after the gossip mongers started buzzing speculations every day, the couple did not come out in open to give any clarification about their relationship. But when a leading portal had messaged Amir in January regarding the rumors about his differences with Sanjida, he replied saying all is good. The actor squashed all the speculations and clarified that everything is well between them. However, there was no clarification from Sanjida's side whatsoever. Just a few days back on April 28, 2020, the biggest blow regarding Sanjida and Amir's marriage sent shockwaves everywhere. Apparently, the couple has called it quits and finally parted ways. Sanjida, who took the decision to call off their relationship and headed to her mother's home, while Amir was under the impression that she will return in some days, but that seems to never have happened. Sanjida never returned to Amir from her Maika. Later, in a shocking move, Sanjida informed Amir that she will not return and it's all over between them from her end. Many reports state that the couple has not yet knocked the doors of the judicial system. However, they are most likely to file for a divorce when the court opens after the coronavirus lockdown ends. What do you think about Sanjida and Amir's relationship? Do let us know in the comment sections below. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to Telechecker for more such updates.